voices carve warriors' eyes, statues born to mesmerize. Every piece a siren song.